How would you like to make money doing the things you love to do? Have you figured out what you're passionate about? Do you think you can make money doing the things that you're passionate about? You think you can make money doing that? Well, in these next few videos, I will be talking about a simple system that can identify your passion and make money while doing it. So stay tuned. But there's some key instructions I need to tell you about first. So make sure you follow them. Number 1, close out of all other programs and turn off all distractions. And focus. Yes, focus. Number 2, do not skip ahead in this video, otherwise you may miss a crucial step. I will take you step by step through this process. And it's not that hard. Number 3, if you need to pause this video at any time to take notes, please feel free to do so. Number 4, please like this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Support this channel. And number 5, share this video on social media and with everyone you know. I'd appreciate it. And also, number 6, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Number 7, lastly, please leave a comment and tell me where you're from. I might have some opportunities in your country. Okay, so let's get on to the video tutorial. Video number 3, time to monetize your passion. Once you've identified the practical skills behind your passion pursuit, you can consider having it make money for you. The really cool thing about any kind of specialized interest is that there are other people out there who share that interest. When your interest is really unique, it can be a very niche market, but those people are also often very involved in their unique interests. But even if your passion is in a more general arena, there are ways to make money from it. Find a job. Since you've already done some research on job descriptions that relate to your passion, you can look further into those descriptions. Look to see the different kinds of companies that would hire those people. If you are able to secure a job and your career to pursue your passion, well, kudos to you. Congratulations. Many people aren't able to work in an area that they're passionate about, and you should fully enjoy and appreciate this opportunity. If you don't find a job right away, consider volunteering for an organization. You could support a positive cause while doing something you love. Next one, start a membership or a website or a list. Many experts create websites or email lists where they share information on a regular basis for a monthly fee. If you enjoy flying kites or building kites, you could consider creating a membership list. Then you email members weekly tips on how to build better kites. Membership programs are great because they create income that comes in on a regular basis. As long as you continue to provide value and valuable information and good service to the members of your list, you'll have a steady stream of income. One way to get subscribers for your list is by attending those events, festivals, and conferences mentioned in the previous chapter or video. You can request people's email addresses and find out if they'd be interested in signing up. Create a blog. Blogging is very popular and can be a great way to share your knowledge and passion while making money from it. With a blog, you can make money promoting products, selling ad space, or selling products. Plus, by blogging about something, you get the opportunity to showcase your knowledge and discuss your passions. A great and easy to do blogging site to check out is WordPress.com. Well, that's it for today's video, and hope you got some valuable information. Please click on the like button to jog that YouTube machine. Please also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Please also leave a comment down below and share this with everyone you know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and go make money now. See you in the next video. Take care.